Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I've got all kinds of how-to repair videos, a lot of Jeep stuff. So we're in the middle of pulling this 4.0 engine out of this Jeep Wrangler. It's an inline 6, very common engine, and there's not a lot of information out of there. I see a lot of talk or a lot of questions about lifting points on this engine. If you're pulling the engine, where's the best areas to hook the chain up to have it balanced, and safe areas to hook the chain to? So let's look at that real quick. So as you can see, this engine is pretty much totally prepared and ready to be pulled. The intake and exhaust manifold are out. The reason I mention that is you don't want to use the manifold itself to lift the engine. The manifold's made out of aluminum. It'll just break on you. That is not a safe place to lift it. The alternator, starter, distributor wires, distributor's there, but the cap's gone. And you definitely want to go to the hardware store and get yourself some real good grade 8 bolts here. You don't want weak bolts lifting this up. So on the front passenger side here, the front of the engine, we're actually going to use this bolt right here. Actually not this bolt, but this spot. This is where the bracket was mounted for the alternator. And then over here on the driver's side, you can actually use one of these stud bolts on the head, or you can use this spot here where the manifold attaches to the head. So either one of those would be fine on the back driver's side here. Now you don't want your chain too long. Just a short, real sturdy chain would be fine. Something that'll reach both of your mounting spots. And you'll notice I got a larger washer back behind there to protect the surface of the manifold there. I don't want to be scratching it up. And we got the other side of the chain hooked up here. So now with the chain hooked to the top of the engine here, it'll keep it upright. And you actually want to keep it tipped a little bit. It's tipped back towards the back of the vehicle. You want to just kind of keep that same position. It'll just kind of help you lift it out of the way. And one side of the chain on each side of the engine to help keep it balanced. So I just wanted to throw this video up real quick of the lifting points I'm using on this 4-liter engine. I hope to have the video up Friday of actually removing this engine, so keep your eye out for that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.